Welcome to the athletic and graceful Tai Chi path. This path is designed to help you take your Tai Chi to the next level and make it more beautiful and more athletic. If you're the type of person that might like to give Tai Chi performances or compete in Tai Chi tournaments, this path will help you prepare for those types of events. I have given many Tai Chi performances and I've competed and won many Tai Chi tournaments, and so have my students. These are the lessons that I give my students to make their Tai Chi more beautiful. We also include all of my tips about how to challenge your athleticism to make your Tai Chi more athletic, more strengthening, more flexible, and to test your balance in all sorts of interesting ways. I love doing very athletic Tai Chi, staying very relaxed, and still breathing and entering a deep state of meditation. Tai Chi is a wonderful art. Some people don't really think Tai Chi is beautiful, or they may not know how to make it beautiful, but my experience has been that the more beautiful your Tai Chi is, it's also healthier and stronger and works better for self-defense. All of these aspects combine and create a synergy. I hope you enjoy this course.